Hi there, students. To indue, indue. You can spell it with an E or with an I at the beginning. I think the E is more common. Okay, to indue means to give something a quality, an ability. So when I cook something, the love that I put into my cooking indues it with a special taste, a special flavour. Okay, it provides it with a quality. So my glasses indue me with the ability to see much, much more clearly. Okay, so to indue, to endow, to give something a trait or a quality. Um, I'm thinking about the spark of life from the finger of God, and the spark of life from God endued man with life. Okay, so to indue, to give something a possibility, a quality. There are many immigrants who are hoping to be endued with the right to stay in the country. They want to be endued with the possibility to stay. So to give something a quality, to invest something with a particular quality. The After it has rained, the light endues the whole countryside with this beautiful green, lovely texture and shine. Yeah, the plants are endued with a special green, shiny, shiny, shininess. Okay, so to indue, to endow, to provide a quality, to provide a trait. Yeah, to give something a particular talent. So yeah, computers have endued us with the possibility of doing many things much more quickly and much more easily than before. Yeah, to indue, to give something the faculty to do something, give it the gift or the quality of something. When you draw a picture, the use of light and shade indues your picture with a three-dimensional effect. Yeah. You can also actually use this verb to indue, mean to assume the character of. So in order to be released from prison, he endued the characteristics of madness. He assumed them. He endowed himself with. But I think that's probably even more rare. Notice this verb to indue is not a common one. This is another one, verb for you, word for you collectors of words out there. I think if you use it, this native speakers are going to say, and what does indue mean? And you say, it means to endow, to give a quality to something. Okay, so to indue, to provide. I want to be endued with all of the rights of a citizen. The body of Frankenstein was endued with life by using electricity from the lightning. Okay, it was provided with life. It was endued. It was given life. Yeah, it was given the idea. You can also use this to indue, meaning to clothe, to cover with. But this is very, very rare as well. Yeah, to indue, to give something a quality, to give it a trait, to give it the power to do something. Maybe in these science fiction films, cybernetic limbs endue the characters with superpowers. Yeah, Superman is endued with all sorts of superpowers. Okay, formality. This is an unusual word. I think it's very literary. I'm going to give it a 7.5. Use it in a literary context. Yeah, use it in a semi-formal writing, a formal writing, an essay, something like that would sound quite good. Don't use it informally though. And then as to origin, okay, it comes through French from Latin inducere. Yeah, inducere. Ducere, duir, to lead. Yeah, so it's leading something into something. It's got the idea of to induce. Yeah, yeah, to give something a quality, to induce, and that's where it comes from. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Endue.